discover the letters of the alphabet together. Take a look at letter B. B is for bell. B is for bee. B is for ball. Ball. B is for bear. B is for bike. B is for bug. Bug. Learning the alphabet is fun. Learning the alphabet is fun. Learning the alphabet is fun. Won't you come and sing along? B is for bell. B is for bee. B is for ball. Ball. B is for bear. B is for bike. B is for bug. Bug. Learning the alphabet is fun. Learning the alphabet is fun. Learning the alphabet is fun. Won't you come and sing along? B says ba. B says ba. B says ba. Ba. B is for butterfly. B is for basket. B is for boy. Boy. B is for bird. B is for bag. B is for bat. Bat. Great job learning about the letter B. Can you think of more words that begin with the letter B? I know you can. Hey, let's hunt for things that begin with the letter B today. Yeah, B. Are you ready? Get your goggles on. All right, let's do this. Whoa, do you see anything? I think I see something over there on the slide. Yeah, right here on the slide. It's a ball. And ball begins with the letter B. Nice job. Oh, right over there on the step. Come here. Hurry, quick. Whoa, do you see it? It's a bear. Oh, we never know what we'll find on an adventure together. Whoa, bear. Well, let's keep looking. Let's look high. Let's look low. And all around us. Oh, I think I've spotted something over here. Whoa, what is it? Yeah, it's a bike. Cool. Bike for letter B. Wow. Oh, and over here. Come on, Brooke. Whoa, do you see it? Yeah, cool. It's a butterfly. Say it with me. Butterfly. And it's on a caterpillar. Cool. This has been a great hunt today, friends. We found so many things that began with the letter B. We found a ball. We found a bear. We even found a bike. And last but not least, we found a beautiful butterfly. All these words and all these objects beginning with the letter B. B. Oh, that reminds me. Bye for now. Bye. If you like this video, click the bell and find out when our next video is available. Subscribe here or click over here and check out this video.